the sound of ed. Right? The sound of ed. When we are talking about regular verbs, past tense. All right, that's what we're talking about. So when we have words, there are three rules basically for the sound of ed, okay, in the past tense. The first rule is that when a verb 动词 ends in t or te, okay, t or te, the past tense, and this is pinyin, okay, pinyin pronunciation. The past tense ends in tid, okay, tid. For example, we've got start. All right, so we're going to take the verb 动词 start, okay. Start ends in a t, yeah, start ends in a t. So is it a regular verb? Yes, it's a regular verb. Does it take ed? Yes, it takes ed. So at this moment, start in the simple present tense has one sound, one syllable. Start, one syllable. Now the moment you put it in the past tense, it turns into two syllables. And then we need to say started. That's how we say it, okay? That's how we say it, but we write started, right? Started. So started. It now becomes two syllables, and you really need to say tid. If you say that, then it makes it all so much clearer for everyone. And that's really the goal of English. Good pronunciation, perfect pronunciation is not necessary, but good communication is necessary, all right? So don't worry about having bad pronunciation, all right? Don't worry about it. But just make sure you have good communication, all right? Now, the next one is